Welcome to AITV News. The Supreme Court has just reshaped how presidential policies are challenged in court. In a 6-3 decision arriving from lawsuits over President Donald Trump's order on birthright citizenship, the justices narrowed the reach of what's known as a universal injunction. First, what the court did and did not decide. The justices did not rule on whether denying citizenship to certain U.S.-born children is constitutional. Instead, they focused on procedure. May a single federal judge freeze a policy for the entire country or only for the people who sued? The majority said the latter. Think of a universal injunction as an off switch one judge can flip for the nation. Supporters say it shields everyone from harm while a case moves through the courts. Critics argue it turns every lawsuit into a nationwide veto, something almost unseen for most of U.S. history. Writing for the court, Justice Amy Coney Barrett called such broad orders conspicuously non-existent until recent decades. Now, the policy at the center of the fight. President Trump's order would deny automatic citizenship to children born in the United States if their parents are undocumented or here only temporarily. That challenges the long-standing reading of the 14th Amendment, which states, all persons born or naturalized in the United States and subject to the jurisdiction thereof are citizens. Since the 1898 case, United States versus Wong Kim Ark, that line has been taken to cover nearly everyone born on U.S. soil. The administration argues the children of non-citizens are not fully subject to the jurisdiction of the United States and therefore fall outside the amendment's promise. How do these two threads connect? Lower court judges used universal injunctions to block the policy nationwide. The Supreme Court has now told them to scale back. The order stays on hold for the more than 20 states and organizations that actually sued, but it could take effect elsewhere unless new suits are filed. That shift matters immediately, and beyond this case. Litigants who want nationwide relief will now have to form class action suits or file challenges in multiple courts, both heavier lift than asking one judge for a blanket order. The constitutional showdown over birthright citizenship itself is still cunning. Today's ruling only rewrites the playbook for how and where that fight unfolds. Reaction has been swift. The White House hailed a monumental victory for the Constitution. In dissent, Justice Sonia Sotomayor warned the decision weakens the judiciary's ability to check executive power and invites the government to bypass the Constitution. So, the takeaway. Universal injunctions have been cut down to size. One judge can no longer halt a policy for everyone. The immediate effect is mixed. The birthright citizenship order is still blocked for the plaintiffs, but may proceed elsewhere. The deeper question, who is entitled to citizenship at birth, remains unsettled and is almost certain to return to the court. We'll keep following the case and its ripple effects on future executive actions. For now, this is AITV News. Thanks for watching.